Hi everybody, welcome to our classroom today, our workshop. Today we are going to do a step-by-step art project because April, it will be here. April showers bring May flowers. So today we're going to do a step-by-step drawing. So if you have some paper, go ahead and get some paper, a pencil, whatever you have. And if you need to pause the video in between, go ahead and do it. But we're going to go ahead and draw April shower duck for you today. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to draw a big U. And then we're going to come down here, we're going to draw one diagonal line down like this. And another diagonal line down like this. And then we are going to do some of my favorite motions. We're going to go whoosh, 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 whoosh. Let me hear you. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. And then we're going to come right here. We're going to go line down, line down. And then we're going to come over here and go line down, line down. And we're going to do an oval down at the bottom, and another oval down at the bottom here. And then we're going to go whoosh, 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 whoosh. Right here, we're going to go line down like this, and a line down like this. And then we're going to go thumb, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to come over here on this side, and we're going to go line down like this, line down like this. And then we're going to go thumb, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Then we're going to come up here and we're going to draw one round circle, two round circles. Nice. Good.
Too big.
All right, do your round circles. And then we're going to do a half moon and a half moon. And then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. And then right here we're going to do an upside down U like this. And one of my favorite parts, we're going to whoosh up like this. And we're going to whoosh up like this. Like our duck has a mustache. And then we're going to come from this side and go all the way back like this. And then we're going to divide it in half. We're going to come here and we're going to close it like this. Give it the duck bill. And then we're going to make a little dot right here and a dot right like that. Very nice. Alright, because it is an April showers duck, our April shower duck needs to have an umbrella hat. So we're going to go above it, not touching it, we're going to make this upside down U like this. And then we're going to whoosh, bigger whooshes like this.
Hey, whooshes.
And now where you have these lines that come whoosh up, you're going to make your line up. That's going to give you your pattern for your hat. And then we're going to come right here on this side and we're going to go line down into this hat with a little curve. And then we're going to take that curve and curve it back up like that. Now we're going to go ahead and do 5 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many raindrops did we just draw? 5 plus 5 is... What's the answer 5 plus 5 is? 5 plus 5 is? 5 and 5 is? 10. So we just did 10 raindrops. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come down here, we're going to draw a line so that our duck is not floating in the air. And then we're going to go ahead and sign your name down at the bottom. We always like to sign our artwork. Then what you're going to do is you're going to color this. I'm going to hold up a sample. This was actually done by Chloe when she was in my kindergarten class because this is one of my favorite things to do in April. We always do it right at the beginning of April. This is Chloe's duck that she made when she was in kindergarten. So it's really important to remember to do your very best. Try to make it bright, try to make it pop. You can do some of your outline shapes. You, though, can color this however you would like. This is how we do it in my class, but since we're at home, you can do it however you would like, okay? So I hope you enjoy doing your duck. If you do make one of these, ask your parents to take a picture of it and send it to me by Remind or through email. I'd love to see your work. All right, before we go, I want to add a couple little things. I'd like to teach you a poem. It's called April Showers, and you can do this at home with us too. So girls, you want to come up and do it with me? Can you stand over there, one over here? All right. We're going to act this poem out so you can try it with us. So here we go. Pitter patter, raindrops falling from the sky. Here's my umbrella, hold it high. When the rain is over, the sun begins to glow. Little flowers start to bud, then grow, grow, grow. Good. And we'd like to teach you a song that we like to sing, and it's called 6 Little Ducks. Alexa, play 6 Little Ducks. Get your 6 ducks ready.
6 Little Ducks by Cedarmont Kids, starting now on Amazon Music. Sorry, I am having trouble playing the music.
Alexa, play 6 Little Ducks.
6 Little Ducks by Cedarmont Kids on Amazon Music. Sorry, I am having trouble playing
Well,
the music.
You're going to have to bear with me then. I will teach it. Here we go. 6 little ducks that I once knew, fat ones, skinny ones, fair ones too. But the one little duck with a feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, 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 quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Down to the river they would go, wibble wobble to and fro. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Help us, quack, quack, quack. Help us, quack, quack, quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Home from the river they would come, wibble wobble, ho, hum, hum. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with his quack, 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 quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. 6 little ducks that I once knew, fat ones, skinny ones, fair ones too. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, 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 quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Dun, 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 dun. Well, we hope you enjoyed our poem, April Showers. You can watch it again, maybe have your parents take a picture, and you can practice this one. I'll try to send it out. We hope you get a chance to draw the duck. We'd sure love to see it. Girls, can you hold up yours so they can see how it turned out? Alright, here's Anna's. Very cute. And here's Chloe's. Very cute. Alright, everyone, we'll see you later. April showers bring May flowers. Bye.